Ali, I'd like to start with you. As we were just talking here, he is speaking, the president, to 50 leaders of Muslim countries, but he's really speaking to the Muslim world. So many more people are going to be watching this to see what he says. What do you personally feel you need to hear from this president?
Look, I think it's going to be a scripted, positive speech. I think what thoughtful people in the Muslim world will appreciate is that for President Trump, he'll be also talking to his base that has heard a very different message from him on the campaign. So the fact that upon assuming office, he has been able to sort of adjust his speech and realize that he has to work with the Muslim world and he has to work with his Muslim allies, particularly Saudi Arabia, in fighting terrorism and in addressing the risks of countries like Iran in the Middle East. I think that's going to be very much appreciated. So it's the symbolism, really, of him having made the effort to give the speech, to come to Saudi Arabia on his first visit, that is going to be appreciated and registered by people in the region.